Hey guys, I will teach you how to use this legend. And let's get started. First, want what you want or like this what you want to what you want to write in here, and you will write in there. And I want right there my 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 screen name in YouTube. and wait, yeah, that's right. And pick what you want, this color. Yeah, pink. Pick. And first, I want color is light blue because blue. Yeah. And I pick what do you want in here. Yeah, that. I don't like that. Or this. Or this. Blue Kitty Lover. Or this. Or this. Or this. Or this. Or this. It's so nice. And or this point blank. Yeah. Nice. Oh yeah. Sis. Wait. I will. Yeah, wait. Sorry about that noise, guys. That is my sister. Blue Kitty Lover. Tree. Blue Kitty Lover. Joe. Blue Kitty Lover. Wendy. Max. Yeah, that. Yeah, that Blue Kitty Lover. And last, me. Guys, if you like this video, smash that like button and please subscribe in my YouTube channel and comment what you like in that. Okay, guys, don't forget to smash that like button again and subscribe. Bye. Ate, hindi mo dito tapos eh. Sorry about that night, guys. That is my sister. But I'm playing. I want to play Minecraft too. Yeah, let's play Minecraft. No, YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. Guys, wait. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. And bye, guys. Smash that like button again. And bye. This is. Bye, guys.